Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss differences between artery and veins. Before that, we should know the flow of blood. That is, from heart, the blood from heart, the blood goes to aorta. Aorta, it is aorta. Okay, the blood goes to. So the blood goes to aorta, and from aorta, the blood goes to artery, and from artery the blood goes to arterioles, and from arteriole the blood goes to capillaries. The blood goes to capillaries once again. From heart, the blood goes to aorta, from aorta to artery, and from artery to arterioles, and from arterioles to capillaries, where gaseous exchange takes place. That is, oxygen is delivered to cell, and blood gets carbon dioxide from cells. And so from capillaries, and after capillaries the blood will return again to heart. That is, it goes to venlets, sometimes we call it venules, and from venlet combines to form veins. Venlet combine to form veins, and venlets combine to form veins, and blood from veins goes to vena cava, and finally vena cava to heart. So this is all about flow of blood. That is, from heart to aorta, aorta to artery, artery to arterioles, and arterioles to capillaries, and capillaries to venlets, and venlets to vein, and veins to vena cava, and finally the blood returns to heart. So this was about the flow of blood, and now we will see the differences. Now it would be easy to know the difference. That is, difference between veins and artery. Veins and artery. Difference between veins and artery. Difference between veins and artery. So first of all, this artery originate from heart, okay originate from heart and it goes towards the body. So it is heart to body. And veins, the deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body comes through veins. So it is body to vein, body to heart. It is body to heart. And next one is okay that is, it artery carries artery लिख देता हूँ, artery and veins. Artery and veins. Artery carries oxygenated blood. Whereas veins carries deoxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. Artery carries oxygenated blood, and veins carry deoxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. And then you can say artery has thick walls and thick lumens. Thick lumens नहीं होगा. Artery has thick walls. Arteries has thick walls because the blood in artery fluid flows with great pressure. So the walls should be thick, otherwise it will burst. And veins have thin wall. Because the blood pressure in veins flows with little pressure, and that's why the wall is thin. That's why the wall is thin. Okay, so the next point, your next point will be same. Okay, blood flows with great pressure. Okay, blood flows with great pressure. Blood flows with great pressure. Here flows with little pressures. Okay, blood flows with little pressures. Okay, flows with little pressure. Okay, blood flows with little pressure. And now see, so this is, okay, this is our artery. This is artery. Okay, suppose this is an artery. Okay, this is artery. So this is the hole that is through which the blood will flow. Okay, so this is narrow. Okay, this is narrow, that is a small lumen. In case of artery, what it is, okay, it is, you can say, wider lumen. Wider lumen in case of veins. Wider lumen in case of veins. Okay, we will continue our discussion. Some, like, arteries are deeper placed. Arteries are deeper placed. Arteries are deeper placed, whereas veins are placed at shallow depth. At shallow. Veins are placed at shallow. Veins are placed at shallow. Veins are placed at shallow. Now, blood, as I said, blood in artery flows with great pressure, so there is no need of valve. Okay, it is valve act, as you can say, it prevents backflow. So there is no valve in artery. There is no valve in artery. And okay, there is presence of valve. There is presence of valve in veins to prevent backflow. To prevent backflow of blood. Backflow of blood. To prevent backflow of blood. Okay, to prevent backflow of blood. And one more difference, that is, there is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery, okay, it is artery, so it should carry pure blood. It should carry. There is oxygenated blood, but it is an exception. It is an exception. It is an exception. It carries deoxygenated blood. It carries deoxygenated blood. And here, pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins, which should carry, okay, it is veins, since it is veins. Okay, so it is veins, so it should carry deoxygenated blood. But okay, it carries oxygenated blood. It carries oxygenated blood. So these are the differences that between the artery and veins. Okay, see you in the next video.